Hello, welcome back to my channel. So myself Vishali Priyam. Today we are not going to discuss about any book. Today I am going to tell you about few tips if you are a non-reader or if you don't like reading books. None of us like reading books, but reading is very essential for personal as well as professional growth. So we should read books, and today I'll be sharing with you a few tips for a non-reader to start reading. We all want to watch Netflix and play games and have some entertainment instead of reading. Reading is quite boring for all of us. So the first and the foremost important tip is that you have to start with a small book, any kind of short stories book. You have to start with that. That will add a spark and will motivate you when you start with a small book. And if you finish it on time, that will motivate you to read more books. Okay. And the second point is you have to set a goal. Goal is very important. You have to have a purpose in order to start a particular thing. Whenever you are supposed to start a thing, you ask why you are supposed to start that thing. So you have to relate a purpose for reading a book. Why you want to read it. I read books because I want to make a channel, and I have a channel regarding books. I post on that, so that is very important. And so I read a lot of books. I try to read one book each week. And similarly, if you want to read books for your professional growth, suppose you want to invest in stock markets and finance, and you want to read books related to that, so you can go and Google and search books related, top finance book related, and you can read that book. So this was one of the important point, that you have to set a goal. You have to set aside the purpose why you want to read. And the second point is that you have to set a time slot for reading. Like if you want to read in the morning when you get up after your exercise, after your regular routine, you can impart 20 minutes of your time to reading, to any book of your choice. It can be related to science, it can be related to technology, it can be related to anything you like. So you have to start reading. You're not reading. So next point is that you have to set a time. It could be in the morning, it could be in the evening, no matter at what time you're starting, but you have to start that. Okay. Next point is that I'll share with you that whenever you start reading a book, start from a physical book, a book that you hold in your hand. Whenever you hold a book in your hand, you'll get an intimation. Your brain will get information that you have to read now, and that will help you to read. Urge will create a feeling and will create an urge that you want to read. So I'll say that if you're a non-reader and if you're starting to read, you should always start with a physical book. You should not go for Kindle, you should not go for your tab, your phone, your computer, your laptop. I'll suggest go for a physical book. So this is the third point. Next point is that whenever you read, whatever important points that you are getting in that, please mark those points, highlight those points, use a highlighter or a pencil or a pen. I'll not suggest, you should not use pen, because more time you read, it will get like very crowded over there. So you should use pen or pencil or an highlighter to highlight the important points and quotes that are related to you. So whenever next time you want to refer to those important points that are very relevant, you have to use somewhere. In that case, you don't have to just juggle between books on what page number, at what side it was written. You have just marked it, and it is very essential that when you have marked it, you're just going to just turn up the pages and going to find it wherever you have written those points. So it is very important to mark those points. So hope you all liked it, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today was a very different book, different type of video. I just wanted to share why you should read and how you should start reading if you're a non-reader. And if you really enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.